look down, look all around. Up in the air or on the ground. Come for a walk, come for a ride. There's so much to see, so come outside. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through.
Pippin, shush! What's the matter with you?
Oh!
Hello, me dears. We're going to a party tonight, Pippin and me. It's my sister Edie's birthday. And this is what I'm going to wear. My best red blouse. It'll soon dry in this wind. Pippin! Shush!
It's only the wind. Right, now. Oh, I must wash my hair. I can't go to a party without my hair looking nice. Oh, I didn't show you my new... Wait. I'm wearing this tonight, too. Look. It's a cloak. It's like a coat, but it hasn't got any sleeves. And it's nice and warm. Oh, dear, oh, dear. Listen to that wind. Sounds like it's trying to blow the house down. Do you know the story about the north wind? Let's see if I can remember it. It all began one day many years ago when the sun was shining in a big blue sky. Everywhere was warm and quiet. Then suddenly the sky grew dark. It filled with grey clouds and the north wind began to blow. "Here I come," it called, as it blew through the trees, bending their branches. "Look at me," it roared, as it whooshed and whistled across the fields. "I am the strongest in the land." As usual, the north wind was showing off, and the sun had had just about enough of it. "You may be strong," she said, "but I can be stronger." "You?" roared the north wind. "Impossible! How can you be stronger than me?" And he blew harder than ever. The sun looked down and saw a man hurrying along with a cloak wrapped around him. "We'll put it to the test," said the sun. "Whichever one of us can take off that man's cloak is the stronger." "That's easy," thought the north wind, and he gathered all his strength and force and rushed at the man. He puffed and raged, he whooshed and whirled, but the harder he blew, the tighter the man held on to his cloak. "Now it's my turn," said the sun, and she began to beam gently on the man, who soon unbuttoned his cloak and let it hang loosely over his shoulders. Then the sun shone as strongly and as warmly as she could. Before long, the man began to feel too hot, and he took off his cloak. "You see," said the sun, "I can be stronger than you." But the north wind had blown away, and all that was left was a gentle breeze. Did you enjoy that, Pippin? Pippin? Where is she? Very nice. Now, where is Pippin? Oh! Pippin! Pippin!
Pippin's disappeared. And so has my red blouse. It must have blown away. Do you see the windsock right over there? It points the way the wind's blowing. So if I go that way, I might see my blouse. It's going to be a bumpy ride in this wind. Someone's flying a kite. You can only do that on a windy day. Look down there. There's a wind farm. All those windmills are using the wind to make electricity. And there's Pippin. What a clever dog she is. Yes. Oh, Pippin, you must be tired out. Clever dog. You deserve a really special treat when we get home. Just smell the wind. It's so clean and fresh out here.
You can feel it, you can hear it, and sometimes you can smell it. But though you cannot see the wind, you can see what the wind can do. So come outside on a windy day and watch the wind come out to play. It blows the washing dry, it helps the kites to fly, it scatters rubbish on the ground and whirls the windmills round and round and round and round. So come outside on a windy day and watch the wind come out to play. It blows the leaves off autumn trees and makes huge waves on stormy seas, builds sand dunes from the shifting sand and blows the leaves across the land, across the land. So come outside on a windy day and watch the wind come out to play. There you are, Pippin. Your favourite. Sausage. That's for being a clever dog and catching my blouse. I need another cup of tea. Well, my dears, now you know all about the wind. Oh, gracious, we'll be late for Edie's party. Oh, no. Look at it. I'll have to wash it all over again. Oh, and look at my hair. Well, we'll just about make it if I hurry. It's all right for you, Pippin. You don't have to get ready. You can go just as you are, can't you?